Hey friends, on the Weiler channel today I'm going to show you how to make games in Roblox right on your phone. So for this we'll need to open your browser. Here we need to go to Google Create, or more accurately Roblox Create. We enter Roblox Create, your hub. Here we need to choose one of our places, an empty one or create one if you don't have any. Yes, that means going into creations and making a new one. Just any empty one will do. Then click on the three bars and we'll need an API. So for this we go into all tools. Here we find API keys, click create API key and give it a name. Yes, we need to enter a description here to explain what it does. Here we need to write universe. This is basically a universal code. Okay, here we specify how long it will last. You can choose no expiration, basically indefinitely. So after hitting the create button, copy it to your clipboard. After that we go into Roblox. Here we open it up and type Studio Lite. Studio Lite. We go in, open it up, just like go into games. Studio Lite. We go in. So yeah, there's a studio here. It's pretty simple. Here you can add all kinds of stuff, work with the world, and so on. There's a toolbox over there to add all sorts of models and things like that. Anyway, that's another story. After you make the game, click the File button, then hit Save, Save As. Type a name here like Test and a description. Make sure to publish it and click Save. Then choose your profile here, pick which game it will replace. Yeah, that's what it was made for. And put the API key here. That's how you do it, expand it, hold it down, and click the Paste button. Then click the Publish button. So your game is being published and it's already available on your profile. That's everything. Weiler was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.